This will be a step-by-step video to tell you how to get more views fast in 2021. Let's start it with 2 things you need to do, and that is your click-through rate and your audience retention. Why are these important? Someone to click through your videos and watch it the whole way through, then YouTube will promote it. Here's a pro tip for you. If you can get someone to your whole video into an end screen, then YouTube will promote it even more because that's called session time, to get one video to the other. Now to do these, you need to, I'll tell you step by step how to do each one of them. First one, click-through rate. The first one that goes to that is your thumbnail. Thumbnail needs to not have too many things going on in the thumbnail, so it's easy to see and read. I know what the main topic of the video is about. And the thumbnail mistakes is, now also, your thumbnail has to be compelling. And then let's go to your title. If you do your keyword research, you know what the title of your video. What you probably don't know is, you can add a compelling part to your video. Here's your example. 3 YouTube tips to increase your average view duration on YouTube so you get more views. There's even another pro tip. More views or get more views in capital. Now, your audience retention tips. This first one will tie into the other two of them. Okay. If you do the YouTube editing tool I recommend is VN Video Editor. So simple and the best editing tips you can do. Now, when you edit your videos, you can make your videos more better, more entertaining, and you can do this with these 2 next tips I'm going to tell you for your audience retention. Number 1, B-roll, which is video footage or images to make your videos more entertaining. Now, the second thing you can do, and this is pretty common, is use words in your video. Here's a pro tip for you. You can tease something in your video that's coming out, so they can stay your video longer. So, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and that is all. Have a great day.